There's a version of AI that answers your questions, and then there's a version that does your work. Right now, most people are using the answering version. You ask, Claude responds. Then you implementation everything yourself. It's a little like hiring a brilliant consultant and then doing all the heavy lifting yourself. But that's about to change. Claude Cowork is the version that actually does the work. Your Claude AI chat is your advisor. It knows your business deeply. But Cowork is your executor. You point to that files and come back to done work. You describe the result, and Cowork handles the implementation. It handles every step while you manage other parts of your business. Cowork lives in the Claude desktop app, not the website. It's a professional workspace for your computer. Once you're in, you'll see 3 tabs at the top. Click Cowork. That's where the implementation magic happens. It shows you a plan first. You review, approve, and watch it work through every step in parallel. Pro tip: more detail equals better results. Instead of organize files, specify the year, month, and naming format you want. Let me show you what this actually looks like for a State Farm agency. Tasks you can hand off starting today. Document organization. Your comp recaps, bank statements, and deductions are often scattered everywhere. Tell Cowork to scan and structure them. It builds the folders, renames the files, and creates an index. You come back to a completely organized archive. Monthly reporting. Ask Cowork to read your comp recap PDFs and extract premium totals, commissions, and deductions into one Excel file. What used to take a whole morning now takes about 4 minutes. It's accuracy and speed combined. Renewal email drafts. Give Cowork your renewal list and ask it to write personalized reminders for every client renewing in the next 30 days. Each one is saved as a separate draft, ready for your final review. It's like having an extra pair of hands. Pro tip: your data stays on your computer. Cowork runs locally, so your sensitive files are never uploaded to Anthropic's servers. Here's how to try it in the next 15 minutes. Create a folder on your desktop called Claude Test and drop in some sample reports. Open the Claude desktop app, click the Cowork tab, point it at that folder, and paste a simple prompt. Tell it to create a file inventory with columns for file name, type, size, and a 1-sentence description of the content. Approve the plan and watch Claude work through each file in real time. In moments, your inventory is ready. When you see that finished Excel file open, that's the moment it clicks. You're no longer just talking to AI. You're working with it. Together, your advisor chat and your Cowork executor give you an AI partner that both thinks and does. We help State Farm agents set this up properly, with workflows and task templates built specifically for your agency. Ready to see a fully operational AI business partner? Book your free discovery call at imaginary-farms.com. Let's build what's possible.